To protect your business long-term plan, avoid this one lazy assumption about policies. As your business gets bigger and bigger, you're going to need policies, and you're going to need them to be effective. After all, there's certain things that everyone in the organization just needs to do. No one likes policies though. As CEO of a growing business, you'll worry that policies are going to slow things down and strangle your business's growth. While your staff won't like policies, as they're yet another thing they have to read, be trained on, and follow on what's already a pretty full to-do list. And that dislike reduces the chances of everyone following your policies. Having led compliance teams across my 18 years as a general counsel in businesses ranging from online fashion to helicopters, fine wine to airports, I can tell you that a dislike for policies is in no way inevitable in a business. My online fashion colleagues couldn't have been any more averse to anything corporate if they tried, but they still embraced what we needed them to do to help protect the business. The policies we had in that business were also integral to it being able to soar like a rocket without burning up. So it also isn't inevitable that policies will slow a business down or stifle its growth. People absolutely can embrace your policies, and in doing so, make those policies way more effective, but only if you avoid this one lazy assumption. When writing a policy, don't just assume that people will do what you tell them. Yes, I know you pay your staff, and I know that technically that gives you the ability to tell them what to do. But that doesn't mean that telling them what to do actually works. No one responds well to coercion. Demands work once, maybe twice. After that, telling people what to do just becomes background noise to your audience. And every time you then demand something, you breed ambivalence, disengagement, ridicule, or frustration. So don't just tell people what to do. Instead, talk to them about why something is important. Tell them about why this thing really matters to the business they're in and to you as their CEO. Get them to understand the threat, the point behind the policy. It's understanding that creates action, not coercion. And then tell them about that why in whatever way is going to get their attention and engage them. Even the most perfect description of a why won't work if it doesn't get noticed and taken in by your audience. At the online fashion retailer, I even wanted to write compliance messages on the free banana that everyone got every day because I knew that would be noticed by my famously anti-corporate colleagues. So work out what will actually connect with your audience and use that method to tell them why this matters, no matter how left field it is. So don't just assume that policies are there to tell people what to do. If you do that, your long-term plan will remain at risk from the thing you've issued the instruction about. Instead, focus your policies on telling people why something needs to happen. Do that in the most engaging way you can. Then go and watch them do whatever needs to be done to proactively protect your long-term plan from that thing. For more on how to protect your business plan from being derailed by legal problems so you achieve your goals and transform your business, hit subscribe. This channel is all about giving you the strategies, secrets, and tips that I've learned in more than 20 years as a lawyer working with ambitious businesses.